Hey guys, so today I'm back with a try on clothing haul for back to school. I asked you guys on my Instagram story if you guys wanted an outfit idea type of video or a try on clothing haul, and it was like a 50-50, so I thought why not do both of them in one video. So basically I'm going to show you guys the items I got and how I'm going to style them. I hope that helped you guys out. I was planning to do like a huge try on clothing haul, but I feel like it's gonna take me forever to edit and forever to film and upload, so I'm just gonna do like a small portion at a time. So for today's video, all the items are from Shein. I am on a budget. I do not like to spend my money like that. I am such a saver. I love shopping on Shein. They always give out free shipping codes and a bunch of coupon codes going on. So the first item I got from Shein are actually these shorts I'm wearing right here. I was trying to find shorts that are like school appropriate and like not like booty shorts or anything, and I really like these shorts. They're like an elastic band short, and it's not too short or not too close to your butt crack. I styled this short with this black top I got from Shein as well. It's a nice crop top, but I think it's like 2 fingers. Well, I don't have a dress code anymore, but when I was in high school, you cannot wear a tank top or you can't wear a spaghetti strap. These are actually like 3 fingers type of tank. That was very cute, and you just wear some dainty necklace and you'll be good to go. Still in the summer kind of for me, or like Florida's like really hot, so I'll definitely wear this to class and with some sandal or some tennis shoes, whatever you prefer. Then I also picked up another pair of shorts, and this is how they look like. The other one were like a light wash denim, and this is like more dark, and it's also distressed. I don't know if you guys can wear ripped jeans to school, because I can't, but I'm pretty sure, I don't know, based off what I'm seeing, high school don't really have a dress code anymore. I don't know, let me know in the comment down below. And they're like boyfriend material, mom shorts looking. It's not too short, I think they're perfect. And they also have a elastic band. Also come with this strap to like, you know, you can tie into a little cute bow. I also paired this short with a white bodysuit I got from Shein. So here's how it looked like. They have a little cutout right here, a little V shape going, and it's just a really nice white bodysuit. Once again, it's not spaghetti strap, it's a big strap, and I think this will look perfect with like my white Air Force. Then the next item I got is this polka dot crop top looking, which I think look really nice with boyfriend jeans. I don't know if you guys can see really well. It have like this 2-string right in the middle, so it kind of stretches the front, and then it just makes the front part very pleasing, very nice. This top just looks so cute. If you guys know my style, I like to look cute, like a little girl in a garden. I think that's how I can explain it. Then I just got a white button-up blouse and have a pocket on the side. I feel like I can style this top in so many ways. As you guys can see me try on part, I feel like you can like button it halfway and then tie it, and it goes with like black jeans, shorts, or I can go with a skirt. I feel like I can style this blouse with a skirt, and it's just a really plain basic white button-up blouse. Then the next item I got is this basic white top, and if you guys know me, I love white. I always buy white clothing, white, everything is white, as you guys can see by my room. So yeah, I got like 4 white tops in this video, and I just got this one. It's kind of like a wrap kind of top, very trendy. It's also ribbed, which is very comfortable to wear. Then the next item I got is this blue blouse. I really like the pattern they have going on. It's a long sleeve type of blouse. It looked very professional and very cute if you're trying to wear it with leggings or a white jean. Or you can wear this like with a skirt, you tuck it in. I feel like you can style this in so many different ways. You can style it up or down, and it just have a V shape in the front. So you can wear like a little dainty necklace to go with this top. 떠들다가 내 손 잡아달래 주워 안아달래 I don't know anymore. And And then I also pick up 2 Gummy Jacket from Shein. I'm Gummy Jacket. I feel like they're so comfortable. So here's the first one. Is a light wash jacket, and I feel like every person in high school wear a Gummy Jacket. I don't know why, but I feel like this is a must-have, and I really like this one I picked up. It's kind of like a crop one, which is nice. I tend to wear more high-waisted jeans than, you know, low-rise. It's a nice way to layer. You're wearing a hoodie inside and this outside, or you know, you want to wear like maybe a tank top and you just throw this on too. I feel like it finished off the look really well. I really like Gummy Jacket. It's like the best layering piece in my opinion. So yeah. Then I just got a white one. I don't own any white, so I just thought I might pick up one, especially like wearing this with like skirts. That would look so nice. I can already see myself wearing this with skirt. So yeah, it's just a plain distressed white thing. Then I also pick up 3 dresses from Shein. I love wearing dresses, especially for school. I was one of those girls that wear high heels to school. And I also go to church every Sunday, so I wanted to pick up some dress. I don't know, that's not even relevant in this video. So here's the first one. It's a wrap type of dress with little hearts detail, which I think looks so cute. I feel like a little girl wearing this dress. It's very girly. I feel like this is also very Korean inspired. I really like wrap dresses. And then this is pretty much similar to the last dress I was showing you guys. It's also another wrap dress, but it's just in red, and I definitely think I look really good in the color red. And it just have small floral prints detail, and I post on my story once and I say I was like obsessed. I am literally, guys, obsessed with like floral print. I don't know why. Not like the big one, more of like the tiny one. I am obsessed with floral print, and I love this dress. It's so nice. You guys can see it in the try on. And I just pair it with these shoes I got from Shein as well. I don't know what these wedges are called. I'll insert them on the screen. I just got these wedges, which are very trendy at the moment. I can see them like all over social media. It's like platformed. It's very easy to walk in. I really like it. It's very different. I never owned any of these. So yeah, and I just got it in like a tan color. They also have like black on the website. Then the last dress I got from Shein is this green one. Once again, it's floral print. I love floral. And this one, it have a very nice V cut in the front. I don't know how to explain it. And also like those tiny straps, so you have like little bows on your shoulder, which is really nice. And it's really pretty. I really like this. I definitely can see myself wearing this to school with a white cardigan outside and with like some sandal or like some wedges. I will like pair these with these wedges I got from Shein as well. It's just a different kind. It's more basic looking. And I posted a picture on Instagram wearing these already, so yeah. Then the last item I got from Shein is this purse right here, which is so nice. I see this all over social media, this type of trend, this type of purse material. So I thought, why not pick it up for myself too? I don't think I owned anything like this before, so I thought it looked really cute with all my floral dresses. So that is what I got from Shein. I will show you guys how I styled them in the try on portion. As you guys can see, I really can't like picture them right now because I usually like come up with ideas like late at night. So yeah, but I hope you guys like whatever I show you guys. They'll be listed down below, so be sure to check that out. And I also have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you want to use that to save some money. And I hope you guys have an amazing year for back to school. Let me know what grade you're going into so I get an idea of like where's my audience and I can make videos for you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
왔다 갔다 하는 마음이 답답해.